First, ensure your car is unlocked and the touchscreen is active. Navigate to Controls by tapping the car icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, select Display. You will see a Units section. Tap this to reveal options for speed, distance, temperature, and energy consumption. In the Units menu, you'll find a speed option represented by a tachometer icon. Tap on it to access the toggle between MPH, which stands for miles per hour, and KPH, which stands for kilometers per hour. When you toggle the speed unit, it automatically adjusts the distance unit as well. Selecting MPH will set distance to miles, while selecting KPH will set distance to kilometers. This linked change ensures consistency across all displays. Tesla currently does not support hybrid unit combinations, such as having speed in MPH while distance is in kilometers. The system maintains this linkage for simplicity and to avoid confusion. Once you've selected your preferred speed unit, the change should apply instantly across all displays, including the speedometer, navigation prompts, and trip information. In some cases, a brief system restart may be required to fully apply the new settings. This ensures all car systems are updated with the new unit of measurement. Important considerations for safety when changing Tesla speed units include timing and local regulations. Always make unit changes when the vehicle is parked and not in motion to avoid any distractions while driving. This helps maintain focus on the road and prevents potential safety hazards. Additionally, ensure that the speed units displayed align with the local traffic laws and speed limits in your area. For example, if you're in a region that uses kilometers per hour for speed limits, your Tesla should be set to KPH to match. Switching to the wrong units, such as MPH in a KPH zone or vice versa, could lead to confusion about speed limits and increase the risk of speeding tickets or safety hazards. Always double-check your location's requirements before making changes. Most unit changes are seamless, but occasional glitches can occur after software updates. If your Tesla gets locked into a specific unit after an update, a rare issue, try restarting the touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel. If the problem persists, contact Tesla support. Switching speed units in Tesla vehicles offers significant benefits, especially for international travel. North American owners traveling to Europe can quickly change from MPH to KPH, ensuring accurate navigation and speed readings that match local road signs and speed limits. Fleet managers benefit greatly from Tesla's API, which allows batch updating units for multiple vehicles operating in different regions. This saves considerable time compared to manual changes and ensures all vehicles comply with local regulations. Overall, this flexibility prevents confusion with speed limits, enhances precision for various activities, and supports global ownership by allowing customization to match regional standards.